Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can join or create a class using Google Classroom. If you want to create a class or you want to join a class, the first step is to go on Google Play Store and install Google Classroom. Once you install Google Classroom, just open Google Classroom and it will give you this view. So once you open Google Classroom, you'll see this plus button. So this plus button will give you two options. If I click this plus sign button here, it gives me two options. One, to join a class, and the second, to create a class. So click join a class if you are a student, and click create a class if you are a teacher. So if you are a student, just click join class. Now once you click that, it will give you this, that you should enter class code. Now enter here the class codes that the teacher gave you. So I can enter here. After that, it will give you this option to join. So click join.